Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mash Boolean tool in Bambu Studio. Now, Boolean operations let you combine the models, cut one object from another, and also keep only the overlapping area without using separate CAD software. So here is how you can use it. First of all, simply launch your Bambu Studio application. Then you just have to import your two models that you want to edit. After doing so, you just have to position them so that they overlap where you want the Boolean operations to take place. So for example, let's say I'm going to keep this particular egg over here. So once this is done, you need to press Control on your keyboard. Then you need to simply select both of these objects just like so. Then you need to right click on the object and click on the option of merge. Now, as soon as you merge both of these objects, you are going to see that all of the tools are now available for you to use. Now, among these options, you just have to simply look for this particular Mash Boolean option. So when you click on the Mash Boolean option, you are going to see the Mash Boolean window. So here you are going to see some of the operations. So I'm just going to explain all of these to you one by one. So here, if you select the option of union, it is going to combine both of the models or both of the shapes into one single object. So this is exactly what I want, but I'm also going to basically explain the other two options. So over here, if you select the option of subtraction, as the name suggests, it is going to cut the second object out of the first one. So this is useful for creating the holes, for creating the slots or custom cutouts. Then we have the intersection option, which is going to keep only the area where both of the models overlap. So you can just simply choose the operation that matches the result that you want and simply click on the option of execute. So since I've selected the option of union because I wanted to combine both of these objects over here into one. So after executing it, it is going to basically look something like this. So after the operation finishes, you can inspect the new model in order to make sure that it looks correct. So once it looks correct to you, you just have to click on the option of slice split and review the preview tab before printing it. Now, if the Boolean operation doesn't work for you, you need to make sure that both of the models actually intersect. The objects that don't overlap can't be combined or subtracted correctly. So you need to keep this particular thing in mind. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.